Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for SheSave.com, and today we are in LA. We are at Hilton Universal City, and I have talked to you many times about being a Hilton Diamond Rewards member, and here's one of the reasons that I love this program so much. We were upgraded today to this suite, which is fantastic, and I'm going to give you a peek at it, but I'm also going to remind you, when you're a Hilton Diamond Rewards member, if there are upgrades available, quite often you will get little surprises like this, and this is just one of the perks of being a Diamond member. This room is a suite on the 24th floor, which is the top floor in this hotel, and it overlooks Universal Studios. Such a cool view. We've already actually been able to watch several shows. You can see Harry Potter right there. You can catch some of the Minions stuff going on. Anyway, just a really great view, but this hotel room is fantastic. Here's a peek at this king bedroom right here. You've got the great view, television set, and this nice lounge area, and then really cool glass wall right here that surrounds the bathroom, which has a glass shower and a really nice sized tub, double sinks, and then one of the fanciest toilets I've ever seen. So some kind of smart toilet. We haven't quite figured it out yet, but has a little remote control. There's a telephone there right by the toilet. Anyway, really nice size, but that is not even close to all. This room actually opens up into an entirely new living space over here, and it is fantastic. So you've actually got a dining area. There's a little desk over there. Again, it's got the same great view. There's like a living room, and over here is actually another bathroom, and these bathrooms are really nice. You've got your bathtub area, your shower, got all of your stuff there, and then out here this space is just enormous, and this is actually two rooms. This is room 2465 and 2464. Obviously they're right next to each other, but this would be a fantastic room for business if you were kind of mixing business and pleasure, going to go over to Universal Studios, or this would be great for a family reunion. You could fit so much in here. And then over here there is actually a little kitchen area, so as you can see, you can really do a lot with the space. There's another entrance exit right here, and you've got your sink, microwave, your little coffee area, and then also there is a refrigerator. So this would be fantastic for family travel. Anyway, just a beautiful room. Again, another one of the reasons that we love Hilton's and we love being Hilton Diamond Rewards members, because you just never know when you'll get an upgrade or how that's going to work out. But this is just a fantastic room. And again, beautiful view. Wanted to give you a peek at all of this. This is Carrie Lynn for SheSave.com, and we are at Hilton Universal City here in Los Angeles.